Hello guys, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Friday November the 13th 2020. We have here one Sudoku with 1 star, two Sudoku 2 with 2 stars, Sudoku 3 with 3 stars, Sudoku number 4 with 4 stars, Sudoku 5 tectonic number 1, Sudoku 6 tectonic number 2, Sudoku 7 binary number 1, and Sudoku 8 a binary puzzle number 2. So 8 extra Sudokus, and I've mentioned earlier I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve them, and the 4 are the Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary I will do. But this one will be a number. Let me position the camera. This one will be a number 187. I believe 79. Yes. 1879. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Normally the 3 stars has 25. Let me count. We have here 2 plus 3. Sorry, 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 4 is 7. Plus 6 is 13. Plus 2 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. Plus 3 is 20. 23. Plus 2 is 25. So it's correct. Let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 5. 1, 3, 5. I see here 5. No 5 there. So the 5 should be in those 2 boxes. I see here 1. So no 1 there. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. Together with the 5, it's a pair. 1 and a 5. So 1 box left for the 3. For the 3. Alright. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 5, 8, and 6. And look, we see here 6. We see there 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So only 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So the other 2 numbers, 8 and 5, we see here 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And then 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, and then 9. Yeah. The 9. I'm scanning. Yeah. That's strange. 9, 9, 8, 9. Oh, okay. So, and now, I'm waiting. 7, 1, 7, 1. Yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So we have an 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about 3? Alright. Yeah. Alright. 3. Yeah, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see a 3, so no 3 in those two boxes. So the 3 could be in one of those 3 boxes. So in the first row, we have a 3 in one of those 3 boxes. In the second row, we have a 3 over there. So in the third row, the row below, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. Okay, so I know there is a 1 in this column, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. So 1, 6, 2, 1, 6, 2 in this big square, 1, 6, 2. So now we have 1 box left in this column, should be the 4. 4, 4. Alright. 7, 7. 1, 1. The 5. How about those two numbers in the second column? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. So the other 3 should be the 1, the 2, and the 6. 1, 2, and 6. No, cannot fill this yet. 1, 2, and 6. Here should be the 7, yes. 7, 3, 8, 7, 4. Here should be supposed to be a 4. This cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes there. 4, 7, 9, 5. 3, 3, 7, 7. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. 6, 6. Alright. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. Here we have a 4, here we have a 3, 3, 4, and a 2, and a 7, so we have a 7 there. Yes, one of the missing number in this big square is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes, so the 7 could be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 2, 3, 9. Yes, 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the middle column, only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above, the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 2, and these 2 boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 5. Then can I do something with the 4? Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. And then then let me think. We have a pair here. I see a 5 in this row. No, not quite. Not quite to the 8. Yeah, the 8. Alright. Let me think. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 3. These 2 numbers, 2 and a 7, are missing in the middle row. 2 and a 7, so these 3 should be the 6, the 5, and the 8. 5, 8. 2, 7. 7 we have there. 7 we have here. Yeah. 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. In the middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright, so we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 and a 7, I remember, in the middle row. Now we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 1. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 numbers in this row, the first row for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8, I believe, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Definitely a 3 stars Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Bye bye for now. See you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 4 star Sudoku it will be. See you later. Bye bye.